Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We are going to do a test shot on a La Spaziale. We repaired a leak at the flow meter as well as an elbow fitting on top of the steam boiler. Let's see how we did. We double checked with back pressure to see if there was any leaks going through there. We didn't see any. Oh, there we go. I'm going to check again while it's brewing. There we go. The exhaust. Nice shot there. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. Hot water valve is right here. We'll just kind of, here we go. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.